Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can cover your face on Berry Avenue for a specific role play that people have been doing. It's like when you cover your face at school and stuff, I guess. So go to avatar here, and I'm going to just go to the head area, and I'll just find paper bag, and you're just going to equip one of these items on your face, whichever one you choose. I don't know why it's not equipping on. Oh, there we go. I'm just going to do that and press done, and you're just going to go to the school. Sorry, my block is like very girly pop because my avatar was a girl before this, but I'm just going to spawn a vehicle maybe here. Oh my god. And just go to the school area. I keep on forgetting where it is. Oh, it's here. And you're just going to record with friends or with just by yourself. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.